Welcome to Advocacy Toolkit number 2. Why should I become an advocate? In this toolkit, we are going to discuss what it means to be an advocate, why advocacy is important, and ways to get started if you are new to advocacy. So to begin, what does an advocate do? Advocacy comes in all shapes and sizes and boils down to using your voice and experience to push for change. Advocates do not need any specific experience, and your voice is important regardless of several other factors, such as whether or not you vote or who you voted for, if you receive government services, or if you donate money to certain charities or political campaigns. Regardless of your experience or interest, your advocacy is important because, believe it or not, policymakers and leaders actually want to help the people they serve, and they cannot do that without hearing from you. Change cannot happen without the work of advocates to rally together in support of specific causes and to speak for others who may not be represented. It is easy to be cynical about government and the ability of one person to make an impact. However, change cannot happen if advocates do not speak out. So what does it mean to speak out? There are several activities you can do to advocate for better policies for the rare disease community, such as writing and calling your elected officials to educate them on rare diseases, or helping create awareness in your community. However, policy advocacy is about more than just legislation and regulations. Policy can mean a lot of things. For example, advocates can work to change the curriculum in schools, hospital or medical procedures, and awareness in the workplace. A new law is not the only way to make an impact. We need your help. Here are some things that you can do to get started as an advocate. First, think about the issues that affect you and your community. You or someone you know may not have a rare disease, but this does not mean you cannot work to benefit the rare community. NORD has several opportunities for advocates. Join our Rare Action Network at rareaction.org. Participate in a Rare Disease Day event. Join Running for Rare. The easiest way to start is to become more active on social media. Rare Action and NORD have a growing advocacy community on Twitter and Facebook. There are several different ways to get involved. Choose whatever feels most comfortable to you. Thank you, and as always, connect with NORD at rarediseases.org and rareaction.org.